Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and studying hard. So let's solve this problem from Erodo, Kinematics chapter 1.6. This question is really interesting because the language sometimes become difficult to understand. There are some terminology like southern eastern wind. So I know most of the students did not understand this correctly. What they might have understand, let me tell that first, and then I will tell what is the right meaning of southern eastern wind. So suppose let's read full question first. A ship is moving along the equator to east with velocity 30 km per hour. So let's draw this first. So let's say this is east direction. We should all know that this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. So ship was moving in this direction with velocity v0 is equal to 30 km per hour. This is the information given in first line. The southern eastern wind blows at an angle 60 degree to equator with velocity 15 km per hour. Okay, so find the wind velocity relative to ship and the angle made by equator and the direction of the and wind direction in reference frame attached to the ship. मतलब actually सब कुछ जो हमें चाहिए वो with respect to ship चाहिए. We need to find velocity of wind with respect to ship. That's it. So this term normally what students understood from this term is that they think the wind is blowing in this direction, southeastern and making angle 60 degree with equator. So they assume that wind is in this direction and they solve it and they apply formula, whatever formula is there, and we all know it is subtraction of vector a minus b. So a minus b, magnitude of a vector minus b vector क्या होता है? What is it? Under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So yes, we have to apply that formula only, and it is that simple. Only problem is that you need to understand one correctly. This is wrong interpretation. What southern eastern wind actually means? It means wind is blowing from southeastern to westeastern. So what does southeastern wind means? It is blowing from southeast. This is the direction, southeast to northeast. So it is blowing along this line, but it means it is blowing in this direction. So let's understand the terminology of this direction of wind. If book is saying that it is a north wind, that means it is blowing from north to south. This is called north wind. If they are saying it is east wind, that means wind is blowing from east towards west. And since this is southeastern wind, that means it is moving from southeastern to northwestern region, right? So actually this is the direction of wind. This is velocity of wind vector, and direction of the wind is making angle 60 with the equator. This is given. Now it is easy question. Now this angle between the vector is 120, and we have to find velocity of wind with respect to shift. So velocity of wind with respect to shift is equal to velocity of wind minus velocity of ship. So this is the subtraction of vectors actually, a vector minus b vector. So we already know that magnitude of subtraction of vector is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab. When we subtract vector, then we get minus in between. So the formula will be like this: vw square plus vs square minus 2vw into vs into cos of 120 degree. And now let's put values. What is the speed of wind? This is 15 kilometer per hour. It is 15 kilometer per hour. So let's put value, and it is solved now. So I may leave this, but let's say 15 square plus 30 square minus 2 into 15 into 30 into minus half, because this is cos 120. 120 angle lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is uh, negative. So 15 square to 25 plus 900, right, plus that minus plus हो जाएगा. So 15 450, how much it is, 1575, and when we solve we will get 39.1 kilometer per hour. So this is how we solve this question. I hope students you got it. You must remember this concept of wind. If this terminology is used in JEE Advanced also, then you may get confused. So southern eastern winds means it is blowing from south eastern region to north northwestern region. So if you are given this direction, then use this intersection and just draw the line. You will get the answer. I hope students you understand it very well, and let's meet in next video. Please subscribe this video and also press the bell icon, because you will get the notification. This is going to be our long journey. We will upload all the question of Irodo one by one, so you will get notification every time I will upload a video. Okay students, stay healthy, stay safe, bye.